How to quote residential window cleaning.
I got called to do a quote here the other day, and she stated that her house is going on the market. So I went ahead and got her information, her property address. I viewed it online, saw it on the internet, her house, and then I gave her a quote. I said it'd be $300 for inside and outside to clean these windows, and I'll brush and vacuum the tracks of the sliders, and I'll brush her screens. All I do is brush those. And she said, okay, when can you do it? I said I can come here about like 2 days later, I think it was for me. 2 days later. All I did was just water fed pull these windows. It took me 40 minutes. So 40 minutes, because these things are dirty and they're still dirty, but I already talked to her about it. The purpose of this video here is I'm charging her $300. It took me 40 minutes to go ahead and do the outside. And now I just gotta go inside and do the inside. Brush and vacuum the sliders. I don't vacuum and brush the other windows. The reason being, because I did a survey. This is why it's important to do surveys. A lot of people don't even open up those windows anyways. So, like, as long as you ask the client, say, would you like for me to brush and vacuum the other windows in your house, or do you not open those, and would you like me just to do the sliders? And she's like, oh yeah, no, it's fine, just do the sliders. Those are the ones that I walk in and out of. Okay, and those are the ones that she opens. We live here in the desert, Coachella Valley. It's hot out here. So why are you gonna do that extra work if you don't have to, and you're not gonna charge them for it? If they want those done, charge them for it and do it. And make sure you do a good job. Like I am for the sliders right there. So, it's hot out here. They're not gonna open up those windows anyway. So I was like, I honestly don't like doing brushing and vacuuming every single window. So I tell them I only do the sliders, and that's exactly what I do. But what I'm trying to get here is that I'm charging her $300. Been outside for 40 minutes now. Well, a little bit now since I'm making this video. But look how cool that is. 40 minutes, I'm done with the outside. I'm gonna go in the inside, and I'm gonna be there for like another 30 minutes, another 40 minutes. Even if it's an hour, it's still fine. Let's just say 2 hours max, because that's all it's gonna take me to do this house right here. Small, easy, simple windows. Actually, for this size house, this has a ton of windows. And these, I think they're manufactured homes. This has a ton of windows. But they're easy windows to do. And that's why when she called me for a quote, I said, I'm gonna tell her $300. That's what it's worth for me to get these done. And I know the way that she wants them done. And so $300 for 2 hours at a time. That's $150 an hour. I usually don't look at it like that. I just look at the house, see what I'm willing to do it for. I'm pretty fast. I'm a fast window cleaner. I've been doing it for about 9 years now. And every year I keep getting better and better. But imagine if I did do brush and vacuum all of these windows right here, and not just the sliders. That would probably take me an extra 20 minutes or so, or possibly 30 minutes. But she doesn't even care about that. I would probably charge her $350 if I had to do all the other windows, and it's gonna take me an additional 30 minutes or so. They're not that bad. So I just want to share this video with you. I know a lot of people think, oh my god, that house, I would have done it for $100 or something like that. You guys can't think that way. And it's kind of sad too, because there's so many people who want to, make money and they're in business for themselves. But you guys got to think about it. You don't just want to do this house. Like, let me put it to you this way. I'm going to make $300 for 2 hours of my time. After this, I'm going home. It's hot outside. I don't want to be outside, to be honest with you. I want to go home. I want to come in here kind of like a squirrel. Kind of like a squirrel. I want to come in here and get my little nut for the day, and I want to go back home and chill out and relax with my kids. I'm going to make $300 in 2 hours. How many houses would it take you guys to do these to make $300? I'm going to come in here, I'm going to do one house for 2 hours. One house, $300, 2 hours of my day. You guys are probably going to have, most likely, and I'm not saying this to dig down on you guys or to make you guys feel bad. I want you guys to realize the value that you guys have. Quit working for free. You guys are probably going to have to do like 2 to 3 houses just to make the $300 that I made in one house. You guys can make this money if you guys just change and tweak a few things. Quit selling you guys self short over here. Like, she told me the other prices from 2 other window cleaners down here, and actually I know I've spoken to them a couple times in the past, and it's very interesting to me because she got a price for $120. She got a price for, I think it was $80 for the exterior only. So $80 was his price just to do the exterior only. And I'm gonna make $300 right here. I was spending this shit out. It scared me. I'll make $300 right here, do the inside outside, 2 hours. And I just want to say that, just not because I'm over here trying to brag to you guys. I just want to help you guys. It amazes me that when I told her $300, she was like, oh, when can you do it? Are you available? So I want you guys to, up your price $20, $30. I'm not saying you guys have to do like $300. I know you guys got to put money in your pocket, and but you guys got to try to ease out of that mindset. Charge a little bit more. Just charge a little bit more. I want you guys to make more money. Like, if you guys really think about it, you guys are working 3 times harder than I am. If you guys would have came in here and said, $250 or something like that, instead of $300 like I did, you guys most likely would have landed it. You know what I mean? How many quotes a day are you guys doing? Up yourself $40, $60 out of each quote and just see what they say. Quit cutting you guys self short here. You'd be surprised, I promise you. Some of these guys call me and they go ahead and, they figure out like my business, and they figure out my number and they call me and they text me like, hey, Eddie, I made an extra $80 today, or I made an extra 100 and whatever. It's quite a few stories that people have been calling me, like just all across the world here. It's the beauty of YouTube. It's like international and stuff like that. Or some guy called me the other day and said, hey Eddie, I know you're busy. I appreciate everything you do for us. I made an extra $20 today. I know $20 ain't a lot, but it opened up his mind. Like, I could do this. I could make more money if I